Pratt Avenue Bridge.
Yep.
Still got a couple feet there. Surprised don't see more mudslide.
I know.
So this is the Napa River at Silver Rod Trail and in between Pratt and Polk. These are the idiot drivers driving 9,000 miles an hour through the big standing water. They're all going to die. It's getting ready to top the bank over there, and it hasn't stopped raining. It still hasn't stopped raining, and it is continuing to rain. That's what has me a little concerned, is that it hasn't stopped raining.
Yeah.
The ground is completely saturated. Anything we get just goes right into the river. Look at right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this ain't good. It's about 2 feet, 3 feet from going over the bank right here. These people, look at, they got all their stuff moved out of that house because that one house floods every freaking year. Coming up.
That's
See
it.
this?
Yeah.
All these people. See it? It's like
Oh,
an
yeah.
island already. Oh yeah, Oak Street Bridge. I just saw pumpkins floating down there.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.